Because one of the wine glasses has
Icacambile.
broken.
Yayicacambile le.
It had a crack, this one.
Bathi kuphume isandla esikhulu nje espacey.
But there was just a big
Siphethe
hand
umgubo.
and having a powder.
And the voice says,
Lathi ke ilizwi,
this is a crystal glass, this is a crystal glass, it should have been broken like this. So kwacho kwaphuma eso sandla ke esinalo mgubo that xa ihla the crystal glass, you go research, ibetha phansi kwislip sesiment, ibifanele iye yagubeka.
uzayiqonda ke ukuba xa kusehla iglass ibetheka on the cement ifanele ba iye yakroboka.
Yaba ngumgubo literally.
It must have been broken literally.
But le A1,
But this
yayine
one,
cracks.
it just had a crack.
And then the voice said, the cracked one
And then lathi lizwi le
is your
ekhekileyo.
state at the current moment.
Is your what ma?
Is your state at the current moment.
Sisimo sakho ngeli xesha.
Kusho ukuthi ndi-receive ezi glass ndiphukile bangcwele.
It
like
means I
was
received those
I was
glasses when I
broken.
was broken in spirit.
But I could still receive the glasses
Kodwa ndakwazi uphinde ndifumane
at
iglasses.
my broken state.
Kweso simo sophukileyo.
Ndipanikiswa yiloo nto ke ndizomxelela
I was
ke
panicking coming to her, telling
vision
her
yam.
my vision.
And she prayed with me.
Wathandaza nam.
And she said, but I think the interpretation is clear. You continue to pray for the Holy Spirit to
Wathi ke
clarify
yena ke
more.
umbono lo ucacile qhubeka wenze wena ngokombono.
Indlela inde yokukholwa.
The journey of being a believer is very long.
I thank the Lord today
Ndibulela uThixo namhlanje
that I became the first black CEO of the AFM welfare.
ukuba ndiye ndangowokuqala